Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can combine videos on Android. So to start, launch the Play Store. Here, let me quickly verify that it's me using the account, so I am required to input the account password, so quickly doing that off camera. Anyway, now you'll need to go into the search and type in the video merge query or something along those lines. So video merge. Now select whatever app you deem trustworthy, whatever app has the most the best rating between actual stars and the amount of downloads the app has. Let's say I'll just go with the topmost result, this one. Doesn't necessarily have to be this particular application, of course. You can go with whatever third-party app you find, whatever third-party app meets your eye pretty much. Anyway, here select the merge video option, grant the app with an access to your gallery, or at least to whatever files you'll be working with. So those are two videos I am selecting. Now change the preferences and options before actually merging them. So for example, you can change the canvas, aspect ratio, the style, and play mode. Since we are looking to merge them, I'll select the play one after another option here, style sequence, and that's how you merge, I guess. Now we are pretty much ready, so we can hit the save button. Since this app is free, you are the product, so before you actually are able to download the video result or result video, you'll need to look at some ads here. Now choose the quality and wait for the video to be rendered, processed, and then saved. As you can see, that's it. From here, we'll probably need to additionally download the file to our gallery here. Let's see, share, two files, yep. So the merged video has been saved successfully. Now let me just go ahead and have a look at it and just show it to you guys, so you'll see what the combined video looks like. For some reason my Google Files app is not able to play it, but that's fine. I guess that's the thing to figure out in a separate video. Anyway, that's how you merge videos together. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.